Good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning for you. I have been neglecting my home between projects and helping my parents move. They are still moving back to Nova Scotia, so we've moved all of their stuff into storage, and we're just getting their house ready. Their house did sell, so they have to be out by the end of the month. So lots of things happening over here. Projects are put on hold just for a little bit, just to help my parents move and things like that. And then we'll get back to doing projects here soon. But in today's video, I'm going to be working on tidying up our home. Like I said, it's been neglected since we started helping my parents clean out their home, pack all their things, get everything moved out and get them all set up into their camping trailer. They're gonna be camping for the next like month and a half or so, and then they'll hit the road and move back to Nova Scotia. But yeah, with all that being said, my home has been neglected. It is very messy. It's not like neglected. I did clean here and there and like obviously do the dishes and stuff because we don't want bugs and things like that. However, Cooper's got the floor from his breakfast covered in Cheerios and snacks because with his autism, that's just kind of what he does. But yeah, so we have to clean up the living room, tidy up the kitchen. The kitchen's actually not too bad because I do kind of try to keep up on at least that with all the like food and stuff. So that's not actually too bad. The mudroom has a few things in there. There was a few things that came over from my mom's that I got to put away. We're doing laundry. You could probably hear my dryer in the background. We're drying some towels right now. But yeah, we'll clean as much as we can today because I really need to get some cleaning done. I'm starting to get overwhelmed because it's too messy and I need to have a clean space. So without further ado, we're gonna jump into cleaning and see how much we get done today.
Under the palm trees in the California sun, sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun. I don't remember much from the night before, just from that human touch, and now I want more. My memory slowly coming back, cracks a smile upon my face, but then it all turns black. Something about tonight, now it's gonna be your last. And now my mind is a mess, my heart is pounding fast. Oh, I wish that you could stay. To get away, but I'll make you promise me that you'll come back someday. So let's make the most of it. I remember what you said up in the Ferris wheel, we're kissing in the shades. Oh, I wish that you could stay.
Okay, I'm just gonna pop on for a second because I did just finish cleaning the kitchen area, but I wanted to share because in my last video I shared that I became a travel agent, so then my desk ended up having to be moved into my bedroom because my youngest son likes to climb on it, and if I'm gonna have a computer and stuff on there to be able to work, I needed to not have it in his reach where he can like climb on it all the time. Like he's usually only in our bedroom if we're in there, so I think that's just a better fit for that because like I said, I don't want him like throwing my computer off of the desk and stuff like that. So I ended up having to move the desk into my bedroom and rearranging my bedroom. But what you guys didn't see, because I didn't film that part, is that the stand that used to be in the mudroom that had the microwave on it is now in the spot where the desk used to be. It still needs to be stained or painted. I still have not done that. I'm kind of leaning towards stain because I want to bring some wood tones into the kitchen area to go along with some of like the wood tones with my cutting boards and stuff. I think that would be really nice to have some wood tones over in that corner. So I'm gonna flip you around and show you what it looks like right now. It's a mess. I finished cleaning this half of the kitchen. There's just a few things on there that I need to put away. There's not very many things on there because like I said, I just moved it, so it's really hasn't had time to have a bunch of things piled on it, but there's a few things. Anyways, I'm gonna flip you around, show you what that's looking like, and then we're gonna start cleaning the living room because that's one other area that I really need to do because it's a disaster. And Cooper's got Cheerios all over the floor, so I need to get that cleaned up. Anyways, I'm gonna flip you around, show you what's going on in that corner now, and then we're gonna get back to cleaning. Okay, so this is that area I was talking about, and sorry if you can hear the dryer in the background. I am also doing laundry right now, but this is the cabinet. I have my microwave in here now. Those are some like ironstone platters that once I get my plate wall done, that's supposed to go there, though most of those will go on that. I just have some cookbooks on here, and like I said, some of the stuff, like I have a calendar, Mickey Mouse picture, all that stuff needs to be put away, and then also my son's Gatorade pods need to be put away. But other than that, that's kind of like what this area is looking like right now. I'm thinking I'm gonna stain it because I really do want to bring some more like wood tones in, but I just don't want the natural wood. I want like a stained wood color, so I think that's what we're gonna do for that. And then like I said, this mudroom is a disaster right now. I gotta figure that stuff out. That bin of stuff came from my mom's stuff I still had over there, so I gotta go through that. Yeah, this is a disaster, and I hate that this area is always messy because that's literally the area that everyone comes into the home. So I really want to make sure I get this area done too, because honestly, I'm just kind of tired of it always being a disaster. And then in here, living room, like Cheerios all over the floor still. Toys I gotta pick up. He was bringing me food this morning, so I had to put that stuff away. I gotta vacuum all the things. He's even got yogurt bites sitting over here on the bookshelf. So funny. But yeah, it's kind of been neglected, and I just really need to get it tidied up. So that's what we're gonna work on next. I've been working a lot on this, just sitting on this couch with my computer right there for now. I've been doing a lot of like training and stuff, so I've been like sitting there. That's why it's kind of a mess in that corner. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of work just sitting right there for now. But yeah, I really need to get this tidied up. It is to me, is a disaster. I know some people are like, oh, that's not too bad, but when you're walking on Cheerios constantly, you kind of get over it real quick. So anyways, we're gonna work on cleaning this up and see what else we can get up to. I know I'm gonna have to fold some towels here in a few minutes because that dryer is probably gonna be finished here soon. Yeah, let's just keep on working.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding, liking for you But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in